Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Odoo POS. This overview will help you understand where the main tools are located and how the different sections work together when managing everyday sales. To get started, log into your Odoo dashboard and click on Point of Sale. This will take you into the POS area, where you can access the main tools and information you need to manage your sales activity. Depending on your permissions and company setup, you may see one or several point-of-sale configurations for different stores, counters, or locations. If you are new to this section, don't worry, because the layout is designed to be simple and easy to understand. Once you're inside, you'll see your point-of-sale data displayed on the dashboard. The dashboard acts as the starting point for opening sales sessions, reviewing activity, and accessing the administrative features connected to your POS. This area gives you a quick overview of what's happening in your POS environment. Depending on your setup, this dashboard can help you keep track of activity at a glance, which is useful before making any changes or reviewing transactions. For example, you may be able to see active sessions, recent activity, available sales counters, or options for starting a new selling session. At the top left, you'll find the main tools available in the Point of Sale section. This is where most of your navigation will happen, so it's a good idea to get familiar with this area first. Knowing where these menus are located will help you move more quickly when you need to check an order, update a product, or review a report. The tools are organized clearly, making it easier to move between different parts of the system without getting lost. Rather than placing every feature on one screen, Odoo groups related tasks together so you can focus on the area you need. You'll notice that the options are divided into several key sections: orders, products, reporting, and configuration. Each one serves a different purpose. These four sections cover most of the routine tasks involved in managing a point-of-sale system. Orders is where you can review sales-related activity. Products is where you can work with the items connected to your POS. Reporting helps you review performance and sales information. Configuration is where you can adjust settings to better match the way your business operates. For example, you could review a completed sale under Orders, update an item's price under Products, analyze revenue under Reporting, or change payment and receipt settings under Configuration. Within these sections, you can manage orders, payments, sessions, and customers. This means you can review transactions, look at payment-related details, manage selling sessions, and check customer information, all from within the POS area. These tools are especially useful when you need to investigate a transaction, confirm how a customer paid, or review the activity from a particular session. Having these tools grouped together makes day-to-day management much more convenient. It allows sales, customer, payment, and product information to remain connected, instead of being managed through completely separate systems. From here, the best next step is to go through each section one by one and get used to the interface. Take a little time to click through the available menus and see how everything is laid out. You can begin with Orders, move through Products and Reporting, and then review Configuration once you understand the basic workflow. Odoo POS is built with a straightforward design, so exploring it directly is one of the easiest ways to learn. When possible, practice in a test environment or during a quiet period, so you can become familiar with the controls without affecting active sales. As you do that, you can also adjust the options you want based on your workflow or business needs. The main goal at this stage is simply to become comfortable with where things are and how the sections connect. A retail shop, restaurant, service desk, or multi-location business may use different settings, so focus on the tools that support your specific sales process. Once you know where to find your orders, products, reports, and configuration settings, using Odoo POS becomes much easier and more efficient. You'll be able to complete routine tasks faster, review sales information more confidently, and make adjustments without searching through unrelated menus.